If you look like this is Quora account and I got 2,80,000 of views all time. Even if I go last 30 days, you can see I got 79,000 of views only copy paste method. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can promote your affiliate link on quora.com. Quora is a top social media platform in the world right now. It's around 775 millions of people. So if you promote your affiliate link on this platform, this is so. First of all, I'm going to this page quora.com/answer. You will see here is lots of questions. See Quora suggestion me on my screen for answering these questions. So if I going to scroll down, then how many ounces are equal to 1 by 3 of a cup? So this is a really irrelevant question, so I skip it. And which freelance platform charges no fee? So if I going to this page, then what are the top website for finding freelancer and clients? So if I going to these questions, just copy and go to chat gpt. Chat gpt is absolutely people join. So this link I also attach in the description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website and you can use chat gpt 3.5 are absolutely questions, then wait a few seconds for processing. You can see which platform charges no fee. Then these AI tools write an answer for me. It's exclusively for me. And if I again go on here, then answer click, then paste your comment. Then now here are the link. You can add your affiliate link. Example of, if I going to my all affiliate link, here is a few affiliate links because I have already 200 of plus company I join affiliate program. So this is only example. Keep in mind, copy this link, then again go on here, then select Upwork, just click here, then paste your affiliate link, then add, then bold, then again freelancer, people power our guru. Then if I recommend you, you can apply lots of affiliate website company on day to day and few months. You need only few months for join lots of affiliate marketplace. I think if you apply 100 of company for affiliate, you are win 15 to 20 company. This is normal. They are approve your affiliate program, then promote your affiliate program here. Then if I paste here, then just click on post, then my questions and answer are published right away. Then again go my profile. You can see here the 16 upvote means like 16 people like my answer and 2 people are comment and 1 people are share. If you do this same work again and again after 1 years, you will get millions of views from this platform. This is normally, this is great method for a promote affiliate link, any affiliate link on quora.com. So if you have found this video helpful, please comment below and like this video. So see you again, take care, bye.